I'm pleased to report that all my systems are functioning perfectly.
Hello. It is a pleasure to make your acquaintance. That is correct. I am the world's first laser-unified computer and interactive entity, or Lucy for short. It is going to be difficult to complete your mission by tonight's deadline. I'd be delighted to. Playing saved message now. Mission 234, Laser Safari Project. Transmission origin, Professor Percy Bristlebrow, Project Director.
All right, people, we've got work to do. This week, your mission is to travel to an area of Africa called the Serengeti. Take Lucy along and record the sounds and vocalizations made by the following animals. Get to it, people! We've got work to do!
Transmission complete. Have you come up with a plan? They will need to be experts in the Serengeti to be able to imitate the animals.
The Serengeti ecosystem. Geography. Located in Africa, the Serengeti covers parts of the countries of Tanzania and Kenya. It is located between Lake Victoria, Africa's largest lake, and Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's tallest mountain. The Serengeti spans more than 10,000 square miles and is larger than the entire state of Massachusetts. Its landscape varies from open plains in the south to smooth rolling hills in the north. In the southeast of the Serengeti is the Old Doinyo Lengai, a 10,000-foot tall active volcano. Climate and plant life. The Serengeti is warm and dry. Unlike most of the United States, the Serengeti does not have the 4 seasons of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Instead, it has a cycle of wet and dry seasons. Nearly all rain falls between March and May, forming large pools and rivers. During the dry season, from June through October, the equatorial sun is very strong and these pools gradually dry up. The ecosystems of the Serengeti include grasslands, woodlands, and marshes. During the wet season, the plants are lush and green, but they turn brown and wither away during the dry season. Animals. The Serengeti has one of the richest varieties of animals in the world. Over 500 species of birds populate the area, but the Serengeti is best known for its large herbivores. It is home to 30 species of large herbivores, including the wildebeest, zebras, giraffes, and elephants. As the seasons change, these herbivores constantly search for fresh grass and water under the hot, blazing sun. Forming giant herds, They journey back and forth hundreds of miles between the northern hills and the southern plains. This periodic mass movement is called migration. Herbivore. An herbivore is an animal that eats only plants. Buffaloes, giraffes, and elephants are all large herbivores that live in the Serengeti. Gazelle, zebras, and wildebeests are the herbivores that make up the largest migrating herds, numbering hundreds of thousands. Certainly, migration is an organized movement from one area to another. In the Serengeti, the migration is the movement of large herds of animals searching for food and water. Each October, near the end of the long dry season, herbivores run out of water and food in the northern Serengeti. So, they gather in enormous herds, nearly 2 million herbivores, and migrate from the northern hills towards the south to find more food and water. In April, when the rains shift northward, this process is reversed and the large herds migrate back north. This cycle repeats every year. The migration in the Serengeti is the largest movement of wildlife on Earth, with 1.5 million wildebeests, 500,000 gazelle, and 250,000 zebras. For safety, herbivores eat plants to survive, but there are other animals, called carnivores, which eat other animals to live. In the Serengeti, cheetahs, hyenas, and lions all hunt the migrating herbivores. By staying in large groups, the herbivores can better protect each other from these hunting carnivores.
Understood. Good luck, sir. I'll be on standby in the event that you need me.